Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope your guys' day is treating you well. As you can see, I curled my hair today. Yeah, I decided to curl my hair because I'm planning to go to the grocery store today. No, I'm getting all dolled up just to go to the grocery store. What has the world come to? It's quarantine for you, I guess. But yeah, I cannot stop touching my hair and playing with it. It's super bouncy and cute. Yeah, I have naturally straight wavy hair, I suppose. So it's nice to curl my hair once in a while. Yeah, if you guys are interested in how I achieved my curls and you want to curl your hairs with me or just watch, feel free to keep watching and let's get straight to the video. As you guys can tell, I have naturally long, thick hair. So I like to tie my hair half up. And the first thing I grab is my heat protectant spray. I have the Caviar Bond Repair Spray. And I spray 2 pumps on my hand. And I make sure I get it all over my hands and on my fingertips. And I run it through my hair, just like so. I have the Lee Stafford spiral wand, so the wand is really narrow, but it's perfect for the curls I want to achieve. So next I'm going to put my glove on. My glove actually came with my curler, but if you don't have a glove like this, you can go ahead and use a mitten. So I like tight, refined curls, so I'm going to take a small section from my hair and I'm going to wrap it around the spiral wand, and I typically curl away from my face, and I make sure to tighten the curl closer to my roots. And so I'm going to continue this. Here's the first curl. Okay, the first round of curls are complete. I am going to do the rest of the bottom curls off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with the bottom half of my curls complete. Now it's time to focus on the next portion of the hair, but first we'll need a clip to clip the hair so it won't be in the way. And like I said in the beginning, I have naturally thick hair, so I have to tie my hair in a half again. I also forgot to mention to comb your hair before and after you put spray. So here I have the Alba Hawaiian Conditioning Mist. You don't actually need to put this on, but I just saw a few stragglers and I wanted to confine my hair, so I just sprayed that on. So I'm going to continue curling my hair. And as you can see, I'm still curling away from my face. So we're gonna continue to do this process throughout the whole head. So just sit back and enjoy the music. Alright, we're nearing the end here, getting down to the last curl in this section. Now it's time to do the rest of the hair. So I just finished prepping the last layer of my hair. I got my heat protectant on and I combed my hair. So let's start curling. Notice how I'm curling my hair inwards towards my face. I'm going to want to do that on the opposite side as well. Yeah, and so the rest of the curls I'll be curling outwards like usual. So again, curling inwards just with this first curl. Yay, we're almost there, guys. Almost done with the curls. Oh, and I noticed there's really harsh white noise in the background, so I apologize for that. So here are the infamous curls, guys. Now you can leave them like this, or you can go ahead and pull the curls apart, just like how I'm doing here, just so they're not as curly. But honestly, it's up to you. If you want a Goldilocks type of curl, then you can leave them as is. I leave them alone sometimes, but lately I've been pulling them apart just to give it that more natural curly feel. And I make sure to go around my head when I do. Well, that's it for my spiral hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for future videos. Alright, see you guys later. Bye!